Hey, it's Sunday, October 2nd. Tore down the rest of the garden today and started retilling it, tilling all the compost and stuff we were laying in there into the soil, so hopefully have better soil for next year. I apologize, it's so bright out here I can't even see my screen, so if I'm pointing off at nothingness, I apologize for that. But this is today's project, still using the Earthwise tiller, working good. Um, Basically, you can see where the old mounds were. Putting chicken manure, chicken shavings, cut grass. There's even a little bit of old chicken food in there. Just anything to add some nutrients to the soil. So, about half done with the project for today, or this part of the project. So I figured I'd take a break, throw up a quick video, and let you know how things are going. Hopefully next year we'll have some better success and the soil won't just be nasty red clay. It's definitely, I'm not sure if this is gonna focus, but that soil looks a whole lot better than the first time we tilled it up. It was like almost pure red. So we're getting there. Alrighty, y'all have a good one.